Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Zezzo Magnetic Wiremag Puller. The Zezzo Magnetic Wiremag Puller is a wire pulling tool designed to make cable installation easier, especially in tricky spaces like walls, home offices, and outdoor areas. This fish tape wire pulling system utilizes a magnetic puller to guide wires behind walls and through difficult to reach spaces, making it a handy tool for electricians, DIYers, and homeowners alike. The magnetic pulling system is the standout feature of the Zezzo Wiremag Puller. It allows you to guide wires and cables behind walls, through conduits, and in tight spaces without the need to cut open the walls or create access points. The strong magnet can pull through drywall, tile, and other common materials, significantly reducing installation time and effort. The Zezzo Wiremag Puller is made from durable materials that can withstand the wear and tear of regular use. Its design is sturdy enough for repeated use in different environments, whether you're pulling wires through a home renovation project or a more rugged outdoor installation. Whether you're working on coaxial cables, electrical wiring, or any other type of wire, this tool is highly versatile. It works in a variety of environments, including indoor home setups, offices, and outdoor areas like gardens. This makes it a practical addition to any toolkit, especially for professionals who frequently need to route wires behind walls or in hard-to-reach places. Our second best magnetic wire puller is Klein Tools Magnetic Wire Puller. The Klein Tools 50611 Magnetic Wire Puller is a professional-grade tool designed to make pulling electrical wires through walls and other tight spaces easier. Known for its high-quality construction and reliable performance, this wire puller is equipped with a rare earth magnet and a stainless steel leader, making it a popular choice among electricians, contractors, and serious DIYers. Here's an in-depth review covering the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. The Klein Tools 50611 features a powerful rare earth magnet that helps guide wires behind walls, through tight spaces, and around obstacles with ease. This magnet is impressively strong, allowing it to work through a variety of wall materials like drywall and tile. It significantly reduces the effort required to fish wires, especially in hard-to-reach spots. The stainless steel leader is robust and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of pulling wire through walls without bending or breaking. Its slim, flexible design allows it to navigate through tight spaces while maintaining enough rigidity to push or pull wires effectively. Third pick in our list is XP1000LC Magnetic Wire Puller. The XP1000LC Magnetic Wire Puller is designed to assist electricians and DIYers in pulling wires behind walls, with its magnetic system and flexible steel leader. While it has some strong points for use in typical drywall installations, there are some notable limitations. Let's dive into the key features, advantages, and drawbacks of this tool. The magnetic wire puller allows for easier guiding of cables behind walls without the need to cut excessive holes. Its magnet can attach to wires or cables, allowing you to pull them through spaces effectively. The XP1000LC comes with a flexible steel leader, which is useful for navigating around obstacles within walls. The flexibility is great for ensuring the leader can move through tight spaces or around bends in drywall or framing. It comes with a durable case, making storage and transport simple. This is a nice touch, especially for professionals who want to keep their tools organized and ready to go. The case provides solid protection and keeps the tool safe from damage between uses. The XP1000LC works well in walls with standard drywall construction, making it a helpful tool for residential or light commercial projects. For electricians frequently doing wire pulls in typical home settings, it does the job effectively. Number 4 in our side is Lonbor Magnetic Wire Puller. The Lonbor Magnetic Wire Puller is an upgraded version of the standard magnetic wire puller, designed for home and outdoor use. This tool aims to make running wires behind walls or through tight spaces more efficient. Here's a breakdown of the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this product. The Lonbor puller features enhanced magnetic strength compared to standard models. This makes it more reliable for pulling wires through walls, ceilings, and floors. The stronger magnet ensures the cable stays securely attached as it moves through various obstacles, reducing the chances of losing the connection during the pull. The puller comes equipped with both fish tape and a wire snake, which adds versatility for different types of cable runs. The wire snake is especially useful for navigating tighter or more complex spaces, such as areas with bends or behind dense insulation. This dual setup allows for greater flexibility in various wiring scenarios. The Lonbor magnetic wire puller is designed to be intuitive. It's easy to attach wires to the magnetic puller and guide them through walls without the need for excess drilling or cutting. This simplicity makes it accessible for DIY users who may not have experience with more complex wire pulling tools. Number 5 in our top 5 best magnetic wire puller list is Magnepull magnetic wire puller. The Magnepull XP1000KC magnetic wire puller is a powerful and highly effective tool designed for pulling wire and cable behind walls and through tight spaces. Its use of a rare earth magnet and a flexible steel leader makes it an advanced solution for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Here's a detailed review of its strengths and potential downsides. The standout feature of the Magnepull XP1000KC is its rare earth magnet, which provides significant pulling power. This makes it ideal for fishing wires through difficult-to-reach areas, such as walls, floors, and ceilings, where traditional methods might struggle. The strong magnetic pull ensures cables can be pulled more easily, even through dense insulation or behind obstructions. The XP1000KC comes equipped with a flexible steel leader, allowing it to navigate bends and corners with ease. This is especially useful when dealing with wiring in older buildings with unpredictable layouts or tight spaces where maneuvering a stiff fish tape might be challenging. The Magnepull XP1000KC is how much time it can save on a job. Instead of cutting multiple holes in the drywall to fish wires, you can use this tool to pull wires through small access points. This reduces the need for drywall repair and repainting, which can save both time and money, particularly on larger projects. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.